What's up? What's up? This is an opportunity to take your products, your several products, and put them under one umbrella. And you don't have to worry about creating a website if that's not something that you want to do. You don't want to go through the hassle of creating a website, hosting all your products on the one. You could keep it simple, especially if you're someone that's on the go, like I am. So this site, flowco.com, is a place you could do that. So I already have one, and this is my link, flowpage.com/Robert Steele. I could always change that. It'll let me know if it's available, but I'm gonna leave it at that. And this is what it will look like when you go to that link. Say you go to that link on the phone, it will look just like this. And I have other buttons down there that you could click on it to take it to different websites, different products that I have to offer. So I have several niches that I deal with. I deal with art, fitness, YouTube, Spotify, making money with Bitcoin. And instead of trying to juggle links and send people, trying to search down and send people to a link for Bitcoin or a link for fitness, all I have to do is to send them to my main link, and they could just go through here and find it. It's all under one roof. That is the cool thing about this site right here, flowco.com. Once again, that is flowco.com. Check it out. But let me show you a little something here. This is some of the links, popular links. I'm going to click see all. And I know we all have social media. I'm sure we all have a Facebook. We probably all have an Instagram or Twitter. But you could add your profiles in here. Like right here to the side where it has fitness and lifestyle. That's actually my fitness Instagram page. So if you click on that, it'll take you there. And I have my art Instagram up under that. So you click on that one, it'll take you to my other Instagram page. So if you have Snapchat, you can add your Snapchat, Venmo, YouTube, Spotify. You have so much. You even have GoFundMe on here. And if you're a streamer, you got Twitch. If you got a product you selling on eBay, boom, there it is right there. So now if you don't have any of these social sites, you just want to add a link to just something you want to share with someone, whether it's a blog post, whether it's a product that you're selling but it's not on one of these social media links right here, you just click here, a destination link, and it will open a box and click on it. And this is what it will look like. You add the URL, you title that link, you put a description that's optional, click this link, whether you want to do that or not. But yeah, you can have an image, icon, or featured. And you can save it. Yeah, featured. So this is pretty great, guys. You can add your different links here. Let's scroll down some. These are other things you can do on here. Collect information. People could leave their email so you can get back with them. You can embed a YouTube video. You can put your Spotify playlist albums. You can have a message sent to you. Say someone wants to contact you. You can have that on your page. Whether it's SMS, text, WhatsApp, or email. You could embed audio, media live stream. That is pretty cool. You could do a live stream through here. Yeah, that's something nice right there. But here's my links right here. Get paid online. As you can see, the first three are these right here that you see so far on my page. But I have more than that. These are all my stuff right here. And you could keep adding if you want to. I'm going to show you how it looks in case you want to edit your link. Like this one right here, support the content, my link here. I have my PayPal in here. But if I want to change my PayPal or put a link to another destination to have people to support, I'll put it in there and save the link. And it will update. I save it in there, and then I will go up to the top and click save. And that's simple, that guys. It's just that simple. You can do so much with this right here. You can go to customize. Choose a background color. It'll update. You know, so it's so much you can do with this. So much. So I'm going to create me a different background and have in the background. I could upload a picture of myself if I wanted to. And put add image and then put it right in there. And then that will make my page pop. Or you can just leave it a plain color. It's up to you guys. But the goal here is to make this thing as simple as possible, which is a easy site to create. Create your page, and then you create your flow page, URL link, and you can always change it and give people that link. Instead of you hunting down links, instead of you sending different links to different products, put everything under one umbrella. Because someone might be interested in one product you have, but they see something else on there they like. They click on that, and you could possibly get several sales out of one customer because they have the opportunity to see what else that you have to offer. So that's what this is about. This is a tool that you can use to make more money online. Just by that alone, you can make money online. You give people other options to what else you have to offer. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Check out the links in the description box. Share this video because I want to get this out here to the people so they could try this out. I try things out to make sure it works pretty good before I share it with y'all. I don't want to bring y'all a bad product. I want to make sure it works, it's functional, it's simple, easy to use, and I want to see you guys win. All right, peace.